How to stop the toolbar menu from disappearing in Word. So if you want the toolbar menu from disappearing in your Word, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Word. And as you can see that I don't have the toolbar on the top, right? So if you want the toolbar, then like for example, if you right click, then you won't have the toolbar, or if you just close and reopen that Word, then you don't have, and if you minimize and if you reopen it, then it still doesn't work, right? So if you want to stop the toolbar from disappearing, then first you need to just simply click on any one of these options. You can go with File, Home, Insert, any option that you're comfortable with. Once you click on it, the toolbar will be available, right? But if you click on the space right here, the blank space, then it will again disappear. So to pin, you need to just click on any one of these options, and here on the bottom right of your toolbar, you will have a pin option. So you need to just simply click on the pin, and that's it. It will pin your toolbar and it won't disappear. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.